This week, I needed to be reminded of this verse. The book of Philippians, chapter 4, verse 8. Finally, brethren, whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is of good repute, if there is any excellence, and if anything worthy of praise, dwell on these things. Strong car, strong tires.
Yeah, moving smooth.
And this whole bridge is just built of wood. I don't know what animal this is. You're my real cousin. Hi, cousin. Come on in. What's up, kinks? It is NappyFu all the way in Nigeria. All up on your screen. Back in the motherland. Naija, baby. This time, it's a little different, okay? I'm not in Marriott Hotel or anything like that. I'm in a hotel that's in my parents' village, Ekiti State, okay? Efon Alaye, okay? And we are here for the remembrance of my late grandmother. Yes, so last year during COVID time, it wasn't because of COVID, but my grandmother had passed away. My mom was not able to come and bury her mother. So now here we are in 2022 doing the remembrance 1 year later. So I am grateful to be able to be a part of this with my mom and be able to be here with her and for her, my mom and my dad. This is my first night here, and my parents put me into this hotel to be able to completely relax, because right now at the house, there are plenty of people. So they thought about me in advance and said, let's put her somewhere she will not be bothered. She can actually sleep. So I'm so grateful for them. God bless my mama and daddy. My mama and daddy. So I am in this local hotel. Very different from the Marriott I was in last time. Even the way it looks. Very different. One difference I want you to see is right here. The restroom. We have one shower like that, but hot water doesn't come out of this. So guess what she's gonna be doing? I'm gonna take it back to the day when I used to use a bucket to bathe myself.
What?
I don't know about y'all, but I grew up with humble beginnings, okay? And we used to have to use a bucket to shower. Yes, even back home in Houston, Texas, Mo City, baby, we used a bucket. We didn't know what shower really was. Like, our shower was there. My mom never let us use it. So I grew up on using buckets to bathe. So yes, y'all, I am pretty much gonna shower tonight and give God the glory that he brought me back safely. It was a long journey. It's a long journey, okay? But thank God I made it. I'm ready for this weekend. I'm gonna be here about almost 2 weeks, y'all. I'm gonna be here almost 2 weeks, okay? It's gonna be great. So I'm about to go shower, but let me show you a little bit of what I've already done today.
Yes, you.
Y'all waiting here.
For you.
Thank you. You look so much at home. You're looking fresh. I'm happy. Happy to see y'all.
What's up, y'all? It is the next day and we don't have no light. Regular smuggler thing here in Nigeria. The hotel that I'm in though has a generator, but you can only have it on for a certain amount of time. So the generator has turned off. So now I'm about to get the day started. I'm not sure how much recording I'll be able to get in today because we're still getting things together for my grandmother's remembrance. But I'm about to go and cook myself breakfast. This is more of a local hotel, so I'm gonna move a little differently. I'm gonna go cook my own breakfast, okay? I got all my hair pulled back today because I'm probably gonna get my hair braided today. I'm so excited. I love getting my hair braided in Africa, in Nigeria specifically, because it's the only place I ever get my hair braided at. I'm telling you, I hope that every woman experiences getting their hair braided in one of these African countries. When you go back to America, you'll be looking at every braid differently. And they can do all this without having to use mousse, gel, jam, or any of that. It will be just as neat as someone who did use all that. I'm just saying. This is the fit today, y'all. I got this Tabitha Brown skirt. There's a top that comes with this too. I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow. And this top is from Target. Y'all know I love me some Target. And the shoes are Target too, actually. It's real comfortable. These kind of shoes, y'all. Tracker shoes, okay? Real comfortable, good sole. Probably do a lot of walking today. Wearing my Fitbit. People that be tracking their steps, y'all already know the deal. It becomes a part of our jewelry, okay? And then I have one of my favorite necklaces on. So yes, if you are interested, I'm trying to become better at doing this, y'all. Put in links to stuff that I wear. But yeah, so I'm about to go and cook breakfast, and I'm gonna fill my belly up. If anybody else want to eat, of course I'll make extra for them too. So So, as y'all saw through the pictures, I couldn't really do video because I wasn't using my camera. Here's what I cooked. It's the eggs that I made, eating with the soft bread. Now I'm just gonna eat and pretty much wait for my driver to come and get me. He ain't my driver, girl. My mom and daddy's driver.
2 hours later.
So y'all, this is the village where my mommy and daddy grew up. That's our house right there. This one here. This is my mother's and father's house in Ekiti State. It is a 3-story compound. This is the front of their house. Or of our house, I guess. This is my cousin, Wale, like blood cousin. So we have a house here in Ekiti and we have a house in Lagos. As you can see, houses here is not like it is in the States, okay? Even the way it's built, the material that's used, you will highly unlikely see a wood house out here. And I am about to go get my hair braided. But before I go get my hair braided, let's go say hello to my mom. This is my mommy here, locking where I'll be staying tonight. I have my own compound to myself. Hold it down for the H-Town. Here, you gotta lock things twice. Say hi, Bobby. Hello. I am walking to go and get my hair braided. This is my cousin Adela. Adela, you wanna say hi for the camera?
Hi.
You met my cousin Wale earlier. Efon Alaye is known for education. Most people here, educated. We don't play with that. It's regular to see goats and chickens and roosters and everything just chilling with us. I love it. Thank you. All right, y'all. So I just finished my hair, as you can see. Probably wondering where I am. I'm inside the restroom. Like I told y'all, this is a village. So there's no toilets in most of the houses here, okay? Unless you're like my parents or people like my parents who happen to upgrade their house. So this is what it looks like. You go in and you handle your business. One side is for urination, the other side is for defecation. So I am back in my compound. I'm here with my cousin Wale. Hey. And I am about to eat, y'all. This is what you call pounded yam. This is actual yam pounded, not that powder stuff we have in America. And then for the soup, we have all this right here, vegetable soup and then regular soup. And the meat is bush meat. I never had bush meat before, so this is gonna be my first time eating it. I'm a little nervous because I'm not sure what animal the bush meat is. Y'all gonna see me eat it for the first time. I already know this is gonna be sweet, and I have to eat with my hands, y'all. You know I normally don't want to, but while in Rome, do like we're Rome. I don't know what animal this is. I'm so nervous. But it's real sweet. Everybody likes bush meat here. As of right now, my stomach feels okay. How will my stomach feel in a couple of hours? I don't know. A mix of chicken and goat is what it tastes like to me. Might have been the yam I ate last night, which is pounded yam. Could have been that bush meat. Could have been the vegetable stew or vegetable stew that I had. Could have been the fish I ate. I don't know, girl. The first night I was here, I had fish. Yesterday, I had the same stew set up, except this time I ate the bush meat and I had yam instead. Today I had pineapple and moi moi, and I already had a number 2 that was not okay. We are back in these streets. Y'all saw earlier the townspeople came to dance for my mom. It's a traditional thing. I did dance a little bit, but I was recording mainly. Today is the day before the big celebration, so it's just a lot of preparation, a lot of other traditional stuff. Side of town. This is where we're going to be at tomorrow. This is just beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. This is my mom and dad's view every day. Well, growing up at least. And now only when they're here. So here we are right here. This is the church we're going to be at tomorrow. Now I grew up in Christ Apostolic Church. If you're from Nigeria, you most likely know about Christ Apostolic Church. Like if you know Redeem, you should also know CAC. I think those are two really well-known large churches. This is the founder of CAC right here. Apostle J. A. Baba Lola, late. He has gone on to heaven. And these are all the pastors based here in Nigeria that have pastored this church. Right now, at least in America, the pastor that I am aware of that is over, or the overseer, I guess we'll say, is Obadare. Alright, so this begins the celebration the night before the actual remembrance. This is my dad's side. They all gather here at his house. It looks like the one in my mom's house already ended because she came back here. So we're just going to join in on this party here. My father, I really appreciate you. May God bless you. May God enlarge your territory. In Jesus' name. Amen. What's up, y'all? Today is the big day, the day of the celebration of my grandmother's life. I threw on just a simple dress because I'm about to go get dressed. But I'm gonna have my makeup done first. Yeah, I remember from the February vlog when I got my makeup done. A lot of y'all actually liked it, and I appreciate that. But you know, I like simple makeup. I don't think they're gonna do simple makeup today, but it's okay. I'm gonna roll with the punches. I'm hoping I can ask her to keep it a little simple, but whatever is thrown in my face. My mom likes it. We are going with it. So now I'm about to go and just get this day started. So starting my day off. I am still enjoying the village life. Let me tell y'all something. Yesterday was awesome, and I just learned a lot about my family. It just really feels great to meet people who are like my actual cousins, you know? Like, you know how it is. Everybody your cousin, your auntie, but like to meet your actual aunties and uncles and actual cousins by blood, it just does something in your heart. Like, you're my real cousin. Hi, cousin, come on in. All right, let me go get my makeup done.
Later.
So, I just finished my makeup. I hate it. It's not even a good light. Let me get in the sunlight. And my seborrheic dermatitis is acting up, so oh my gosh. She irritated the heck out of my eyes. Let me see if I can help myself a little bit. Like, let me thin out my brows a little bit. I don't get it. I don't understand it. Oh my gosh. Not that it's bad. It's not bad, but it's a lot of makeup. See, my eyes are puffing up. Oh my gosh. How much? She put like a lot of black stuff around my nose. What was she trying to do? Disappear it? Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, what's all this? What is all that? Girl.
Wow. What do you think NappyFu did next? Did she completely redo her makeup? Or did she thug it out for her mama? Find out tomorrow. Vlogmas Day 6. Until then, remember y'all, in order to have a healthy mind, body, soul, everything, you got to do healthy things. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
Oh, you still here? You must like what you see. And since you like what you see, you might as well go ahead and see some more. Go ahead, watch some more videos, okay? And while you're watching, open up another web browser and do some shopping. Yeah, I got merch. Thatnaplife.com.